Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to speak about the subject of what's the difference between justice and revenge. Well, justice is basically kind of like going through the judiciary system, looking at the laws, and basically giving what is due to that person, to that culprit. So if that person deserves a fine, they get a fine. If they deserve prison, they get prison. And I'm not too much in favor of death penalties because this life is so precious that I don't know. But that's another subject. And now revenge would be basically going out of your way to do all the things possible so that you can do something really bad towards that person. And it doesn't have to be death, but it could be getting them injured, or getting their money, or doing something so bad that it hinders their life in such a bad way. And that's not good, because revenge is not a good thing. It makes for a good movie, that's for sure, because they're just fun. It's just fun to look at. But I don't think that you ever really get that satisfaction from yourself. If you do something bad to somebody else, it might feel cool at that moment, but usually the moment you realize that you've done something that's not ethical, it kind of comes back to you psychologically. And I'm not saying that everybody's like that, but at least for me it is. And I much rather do something that's within the legal bounds. You can try to get whatever has been done, you can make it equal, because there has to be some equality. Even though the thing about like life being just and life being fair, well, it really isn't, unfortunately. Some things are just not fair. I mean, some people are born smaller, some people are born taller, some people are born stronger with bigger muscles, more intelligent, less intelligent. Depending on what luck you've had, you can be born in a wealthy country, in a poor country. So that equality, that being fair, eye for an eye, doesn't really exist. We're kind of by ourselves. But at the same time, I do want to respect everyone, and I do want to do things in the right way, because often revenge can make you so sad. Revenge can make you so different, and it could actually hinder you in the way. Like, yeah, you get that revenge, but did you really accomplish something that adds value to your life? So suing someone because you slipped on a floor, the thing is, there's just some things that you can't really plan. It just happens. If you got into a car accident, stuff like that. Now, if the person did it on purpose, yeah, you can kind of try to go through a legal system, or if they did because they were under the influence, you can do it, but more as a personal kind of way to just kind of like get that person from never hurting anybody else, because what happened to you, and that can't really be changed. And even if you got $1 million from them and stuff, yeah, I guess it's cool, but if you're handicapped and if you're in pain, can you actually enjoy it? I don't know. Nothing's perfect in life. Everything's complicated. We think that all these rules and things make for a better society, but all it does in some ways is make everything more complicated, because the rules are always bent by the people who have more power. So anyways, that's it. That's all I have to say on the subject. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.